Neech Bhang Raj Yoga. In Vedic astrology, the fate and nature of an individual are determined by the planets and their position in the person's kundali. Each of the 9 planets influence the native in its characteristic way. Planets that are in exalted position in the horoscope strengthen the native with their good effects. The opposite has an equally displeasing effect. Thus, this means that a weak planet can only cause adverse effects with no relief. Well, Neej Bhang Raj Yoga in a person's kundali helps to stave off adverse conditions. Neej Bhang Raj Yoga in astrology. As the name suggests, Neej Bhang Raj Yoga in Vedic astrology is related to debilitated planet or Neech Graha in a kundali. These planets are believed to bring only antagonistic results whenever their dasa occurs. But this might not be the case every time. This yoga indicates the cancellation of the debilation of the Neech Graha. It is completely governed by the position of Neech Graha and strong planet or Uch Graha in the kundali. How is Neech Bhang Raj Yoga formed? Here are some conditions that cause the Neej Bhang Raj. The weak as well as the strong planet are in the same sign. For example, Sun and Saturn for Aries and Libra, Jupiter and Mars in Cancer and Capricorn, Venus and Mercury in Virgo and Pisces. The lord of the sign of the weak planet is in a central position or gained from the Lagna or ascendant house. For example, if the sun is in a weak position in Libra and as it is stronger in Aries, Neej Bhang occurs if the lord of Aries, that is Mars, is in gained from ascendant. The lord of sign of the weak planet is in a central position or Kendra from the Lagna house. For example, if the sun is in a weak position in Libra, Neech Bhang occurs if the lord of Libra, Venus, is in a Kendra position from the ascendant. The weak planet of own sign is aspected by its strong planet. For example, if Mars aspects the moon which is in a weak position in Scorpio, the weak planet of two different signs aspect each other. For example, if the moon is in Scorpio and Mars is in Cancer, the weak planet is in a strong position in the Nauman's chart. Significance of Neech Bhanga Raj Yoga. This unique condition where the Neech Graha effect is cancelled and turned into a Raj Yoga is significant. It turns the weakest link of the Kundali into a strong one and helps in the overall enhancement of character, confidence, and stature. The energy and efforts of the person are channeled and directed properly, and hence it helps in achieving a successful life. Effects of Neej Bhang Raj Yoga. This is one of the most profound yogas that can be found in your Kundali, and therefore its effects are quite unique as well. Some of the effects are: if this yoga occurs in your life, you are destined to be a winner depending on the degree of weakness of a niche graha in your sun sign. If life tests you time and again, you will simply keep at it and never give up. This yoga brings out the best in you. You are purified just as gold is when it is subjected to high temperature and pressure. There is no degradation of quality. This yoga is most common in people who are renowned the world over for their unique achievements. In conclusion, these surprising turns of planets can actually prove beneficial for you.